you're gonna ditch a lot of things here. Okay, you don't like, it's too tall, I totally hear you. Grass, buy the 3 panicle hydrangeas. If you can salvage them, you're gonna put them in the other spot. Rose of Sharon, they're making little babies, goodbye. We're gonna keep these hydrangeas, 1, 2, 3. Let's see how the boxwoods do when they have much more sun. Keep the sedum. And then we have a blank slate almost. So you want perennials. So start with some grasses, shorter grasses, like this high. Some garden phlox, some balloon flower, some yarrow, some catmint, some Russian sage, like 2 Russian sage in the back, maybe next to the grasses. Some asters, like smooth blue asters, not the crazy tall ones here. You just want to keep things a little low. You could try some butterfly milkweed. Those are awesome. You could try some salvia, some coreopsis. There's like thread leaf, lance leaf, tick seed. All of these things are like blooming at different times through the season. They're different colors. They're all pollinators. Most of them are native. And I think they would just go well here and just be happy. They just belong here. So they would, I think, do really well here.